Hi, this is Design Guy. Want to make your words pop with a cool sticker effect? Let me show you how! Click Create, then select Custom Size and enter your preferred dimensions. Next, add text type, any text you want, into the text box. Change the font style by selecting any available option. Add an outline effect to the text, choose a color, and increase the outline thickness to enhance its appearance. Change the font color to create a visually appealing sticker. Duplicate this layer, then add outline click effects. Next, apply another outline effect on the duplicate to enhance the design. Remove the text outline, set this to 150 and the other to 200, then send it. Now, group the image, go to Elements, and search for Store Page to find related items. Select the element, then click Layers, and choose Bring to Front to move it above other elements in your design. Add a shape by selecting the Rectangle tool. Draw a rectangle, then change its color to white. Next, rotate the rectangle to the desired angle. You can adjust the rotation by dragging the rotate handle on the shape. This allows you to position the rectangle exactly as needed on the front. Select Position and Layers, then try resizing, zooming, and rotating the element to adjust its appearance as needed. You can move the object using your keyboard arrow keys. Next, try zooming in. You can also add other items from the turnip pack. Select the sticker turnip and try adding it. If you need, rotate it to adjust its position. Explore the other options on the X side to find different variations you can use in your design. The interface remains unchanged. Next, zoom in to get a closer view of the details on the screen. Select that to finalize the design. This completes our work on the project. Click Share, select Download, increase the image size for better quality. Then click Download to save the file. Now you can create cool sticker text effects in Canva. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips.